Good morning, everyone. My name is Natalie Bayore. Family motivation. Family is not just about blood, it's about the people who love you without condition, who stand by you when life gets hard, and who see your flaws but still choose to stay. Family is your first home. It's where you learn how to speak, how to love, how to fight, and how to forgive. It's where you laugh the loudest and cry the hardest. Sometimes it's chaotic, sometimes it's quiet. But beneath every moment, good or bad, family is where your story begins. Not every family is perfect. Some have wounds, some have silence. Some are broken in ways that only time, patience, or forgiveness can mend. But even with all the imperfections, family is worth holding on to, because at the end of the day, when everything else fades, it's often your family who stay by your side. Family are the people who remember your first step, your first words, and all the little milestones in between. They are the ones who cheer for you. Even when the world doesn't see your worth, they give you strength when you're tired and comfort when you're lost. Think about those who raised you, protected you, or believe in you. When you didn't even believe in yourself, maybe it's your parents, sibling, grandparents, and cousin. Or maybe it's a best friend, a guardian, or a teacher who became family. These people help shape your heart. They remind you that you're never truly alone. So don't take them for granted. Say thank you. Say I love you. Say I'm proud of you. Say I'm sorry if you need to. Because life is short. Time passes quickly, and one day you look back and realize it what is the big things, but the small moment that matter the most, like share meals, inside jokes, hugs after a long day, or just sitting together in silence. And if you're missing someone today, someone who's far away or no longer here, hold their memories close. They're still a part of you, because family is just who with you now. Is who helped make you who you are. In the end, it's not money, fame, or success that define your life. It's love, and family is love. Pure, messy, honest love. So treasure them, fight for them, forgive when you can, and never stop reminding them you matter to me. Because no matter how far you go or who you become, your family is your anchor, your root, and your home.